Our dear children who are away from us due to this pandemic have kept this excitement and enthusiasm for life and positive attitude still kindled in their hearts and minds. Children are the future of our nation. There is an old saying in English that the child is father of the man. So, we need to secure and invest for the development of the future of our nation. Let's all come together on this auspicious day and remember children's favorite Chacha Nehru with a poem.
मोतीलाल पिता बैरिस्टर, माता थी स्वरूप रानी, छोड़ सभी आराम ऐश को राह चुनी थी बेगानी। त्याग वकालत को नेहरू ने गांधी का पथ अपनाया, उसका जन्म दिवस भारत में बाल दिवस कहलाया। आज़ादी पाने की खातिर वीरों ने बलिदान दिया, अगर सपूतों ने पग पग पर अपमानों का पान किया। दमन चक्र से जो गोरों के कभी नहीं घबराया, उसका जन्म दिवस भारत में बाल दिवस कहलाया। दागे नहीं तोप से गोले, ना बरछी तलवार उठाई, सत्य अहिंसा के बल पर खोई आज़ादी पाई। अनशन करके अंग्रेजों से शासन वापिस पाया, उसका जन्म दिवस भारत में बाल दिवस कहलाया। बच्चों को जो सदा प्यार से हंसकर गले लगाता था, इसलिए तो लाल जवाहर चाचा जी कहलाता था। अपने जन्म दिवस को जिसने बाल दिवस बनाया, उसका जन्म दिवस भारत में बाल दिवस कहलाया। शासक था स्वदेश का पहला अपना प्यारा चाचा, नव भारत के निर्माता का मन था सीधा साचा। उद्योगों का जिसने 24 घंटे चक्र चलाया, उसका जन्म दिवस भारत में बाल दिवस कहलाया।
Now we, the teachers of Rosary School Narela, are going to present a small skit on the auspicious occasion of Diwali to spread happiness in the life of others. By following the theme, Together we care for the planet. Earth is the only known planet of the universe which has existence of life. For the existence of life, Earth has provided various resources. By using these natural resources, all the living beings are able to lead their lives. But we have been continuously destroying our natural resources, which are leading to various problems for us. Destruction of forests, increasing industries, use of motor vehicles, and various chemicals and explosives are causing tremendous increase in the pollution on this planet. This is in turn giving rise to various diseases, which is leading to an alarming situation. It is a high time now that we should ponder over this fact and take effective measures to save our planet. This task cannot be accomplished by a handful of people thinking and acting towards it. We all need to act towards it honestly. Earth is a privilege given to us by nature, so we must all try to conserve and protect it.
Mama,
What happened, Rahul?
Diwali is approaching. Please bring me some crackers. I want to burst them.
Oh, Rahul, Diwali is the festival of lights, not of crackers. They cause pollution and you may even get hurt, beta. Please try and understand.
Papa? Papa? Yes, beta? Diwali is at hand. Will you please buy some crackers for me now?
My dear Rahul, I hope you have learnt in EVS what measure we should take to save the environment. But if you burst the crackers, we'll pollute the environment and it affects the human beings, animals and plants. We human beings have the responsibility to save the environment. Only then we can have a healthy future.
But Papa, Diwali comes only once a year and we burst crackers only on one day. How much will that affect the environment?
Beta, it is not a matter of one day. It is the matter of life and nature. Only on the day of Diwali, the pollution level reaches to a great extent which produces adverse effect on the environment. My dear, for us and all to ensure a healthy future, we need to act now. Okay, beta? I hope you understood.
Every year this happened. I knew you were never going to buy crackers for me.
Beta, you are a grown-up child now. You should act sensibly.
But Mama, all my friends burst crackers. I also want to have fun.
You should go and explain them also. Your grandfather is coughing. Please go and give
Dadaji, please have some water.
Okay. Okay, Rahul, sit down. Rahul, you are looking sad today. What happened?
Dadaji, I was asking Mama and Papa to buy me crackers, but they are not buying it for me. Will you please approach them and convince them on my behalf?
Oh, this made you sad. Okay, I will try to approach them. But you should listen to me first.
Okay.
And decide yourself what you should do.
Okay.
Diwali is an exciting time for kids as well as elders. But simultaneously, you should ensure the comfort of your elders, pets, and the environment. You know, bursting crackers may increase the level of harmful gases in the air, which can be the cause of asthma attack. The high decibel of firecrackers hurt the ears of animals as well as birds. Not only sound, but light and smoke emitted by crackers also disturb them. They get scared, anxious, confused, and start to panic. Bursting crackers not only pollutes the air, but also pollutes the land. Thousands of children employed in firework factories crippled for life. The increased level of pollution affects the immune system of the individuals. So, it is also one of the causes of the increase in the rates of COVID patients. The only way to save our loved ones, pets, and the environment is to avoid bursting crackers. Now, the choice is yours. A healthy future or a few minutes of pleasure. Enjoy life.
Okay, Dadaji, I understand. Thank you for making me aware of all the adverse effects of crackers. Now I will never ask for them.
Good.
Wow, Rahul, you look very happy. What happened?
Mama, now I will not buy crackers. Now I understand how crackers are bad for our health.
Very good. That's like my good boy.
But Mama, now tell me, how will I celebrate my Diwali?
Beta, Diwali is the festival of fun and togetherness. And there are many things to do, like cleaning the house, setting the things properly, decorating the house, making garlands, rangoli, and decorating the diya. See, these days I am so busy. You can help me in any of these works.
Okay, Mama. Give me some petals.
Of course, dear. Please take.
Hey, what are you doing?
We are burning crackers.
Rahul, why are you not burning the crackers? Don't you have it? No. I will not burst crackers. I will celebrate eco-friendly Diwali because bursting crackers affect the health of all living beings, including plants and animals. They are brought in with breathing difficulties and they cry for help.
No crackers, then what? How the Diwali will be judged for us?
Friends, happiness increases by sharing and caring. We can care for others by not bursting crackers and helping the needy.
Good idea. Then we should distribute sweets and chocolates and give to them.
Yes, let us all contribute and gift them.
Let's go.
Auntie, Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, Auntie.
Okay, Auntie, bye.
Bye, Auntie.
Auntie, Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, Auntie.